Just trying out this new little, what is it called? Undercarriage cleaner, the shotgun. It's kind of cool. Alright, so in this video I bought a nice diesel tank to swap this old plastic tank out and then hard mount it properly. As you can see, this is the line into the diesel heater feed. So I just need to drain this first. So I just want to leave it over there. Drain the diesel at the bottom here. Now I need to get this off. So here's the new diesel tank. Picked this up on Amazon and I got the mount for it as well. So this is going to mount to the rear bumper of the van. I just need to figure out which way. So my option is to mount it like on top or on the side. Not really sure. And also I want this to face outwards so that when I'm at the gas station I can do my petrol and then do my diesel. I mean, it looks pretty good on top. Maybe I'll just bolt it on like that, sitting on the bumper. But if I bolt it on top, it looks like it might be rubbing up here. What to do? Okay, I've got Esther showcasing what it would look like mounted there. I think maybe that's what I'm gonna have to do so it doesn't rub.
So it doesn't hit.
Yeah, I think that's good because it's not gonna bottom out. We got the tow hitch down there and sort of hit that first, so I think that'll do. That's all right. Thanks, model.
Tako.
Looks sweet. I like it. The only thing is, there's a bit of a gap there, and it's pretty rattly. But maybe I'm gonna wedge something in there so it doesn't rattle, make it more solid. There we go. The heater's running strong. That's another job ticked off the list. Been wanting to get that done for a while, something more permanent, more like fixed to the bumper, so it's pretty cool. Pretty happy with it. It's a stainless steel jerry can, so hopefully it won't rust or anything. The mounts may rust, but we'll see. It's Vancouver, everything rusts. So. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll do some more updates.
Hello.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Ooh.
It's yellow.
I like the yellow. It looks so sleek. Wow. Good job, Ryan. You are a handy guy.